hello mga ka-members! I'm back! Yay! So for today, it is just me and my Mr. Chips. Tapos ko lang maglaba, maglinis. Tapos for today, I just received something from YouTube. So, saan ko kayo sasabit tong play button ko?
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing go.
But, before tayo makareceive ng ganito sa YouTube, nagdaan muna tayo ng mga hard times, like how to encourage subscribers para mag-subscribe sa ating video, paano tayo mag-hikayat ng mga viewers para tignan o i-view yung mga video natin. Talagang napakahirap talagang magkuha ng mga natin, ng mga subscribers and viewers natin. Pero finally! Yay! Hindi nyo ba napansin? Kaya ako nag-red para maging lucky. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you the recipe item from YouTube. Yay! Yahoo! So I'm going to unbox now the items I have received from YouTube. So I'm going to unbox. Yay! Unboxing my play button from YouTube. Let us see. Tingnan natin, guys. Ta-da-dan! Dum 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 dum! Dum 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 dum! Pera o bayong! Dun! 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 Yay! I have received the play button from YouTube. Yay! So let us read. Presented to Maricel Silo channel for passing 69 subscribers from YouTube. Yay! So, just keep on believing and keep dreaming mga ka-members para ma-achieve nyo din ang play button na ganito. Kahit 69 subscribers so just hang in there mga 69 subscribers. Thank you so much for believing in me, for subscribing in me, for viewing my videos, and hopefully we will have another play button from YouTube. So what I can share with you guys or advise you is just keep believing, keep believing in your dreams, and always encourage yourself. Do not get disappointed, and always keep praying for you to achieve all your dreams. So, even though ito lang nakayanan natin for today, masaya pa rin naman tayo kasi marami pa rin naniniwala sa ating kakayahan or marami pa rin gustong sumuporta para sa atin. So, yun lang mga ka-members. Just always believe in yourself, keep dreaming, and maybe someday, somehow, with God's grace, so dapat pray natin yan, with God's grace, makukuha din natin ang ating mga dreams. So, kahit ganito ang ating, ngayon, sitwasyon natin ngayon, dahil sa pandemic, basta pray lang tayo. So, just continue spreading the love, and create more fun. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, everyone. Yay! Thank you, 69 subscribers. Yay! Just another day in Singapore of duty. the play button. Yay! The play button. Who knows? Ano kaya sasabit tong play button ko? Or katabi ko na lang siya sa paghiga? Or sabi ko kaya dito sa salamin para kahit nananalamin kami ay nakikita namin. O dito kaya sa may ano. Sabi ko kaya dito sa pinto namin para ma-inspire ako lalo. Ano? Dito sa pinto para pagbukas ng pinto kita agad. No? Tama? No? Para ma-inspire ako lalo. Thank you everyone!